रणवीर सिंह इज आउट विद अनदर बिग न्यूज। वो लॉन्च कर रहे हैं अपना खुद का म्यूजिक लेबल जिसमें वो इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं द न्यू म्यूजिक रॉ टैलेंट को। लेट्स टेल यू मोर ऑन दैट।
रणवीर सिंह बन गए हैं एंटरप्रेन्योर। रणवीर ने एक म्यूजिक लेबल लॉन्च करने का फैसला किया है जो रॉ अंडरग्राउंड टैलेंट्स को मौका देगा। रणवीर ने अपने एक स्टेटमेंट में कहा है, वी आर फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग विद लॉन्चिंग सम रियली रॉ immensely talented new rap and hip hop artists who we believe will be the next superstars of the scene. Rap and hip hop are the biggest thing happening in Indian music today. रणवीर का ये भी कहना है, as an outsider in Bollywood, I have always wanted to do my bit to bring out and support the outstanding talent that we have in every street of our country. So when Navzar and I came up with the idea of Ink Inc, it appealed to my core, my heart, and Ink Inc is my passion. And I intend to use this platform to give as many artists from across the country a chance to dazzle India with their talent.
One thing's for sure कि गली बॉय मूवी के बाद रैप एंड हिप हॉप म्यूजिक जो इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है ऑन अ वास्ट स्केल, कुछ क्रेडिट जाता है जोया अख्तर को, बहुत क्रेडिट जाता है रणवीर सिंह को फॉर ऑल्सो सिंगिंग एंड रैपिंग इन द फिल्म। सो अनदर फेदर ऑन हिज कैप, जहां पर वो सिर्फ सिंग, उनका म्यूजिक में जो इंटरेस्ट है, वी ऑल नो अबाउट दैट, बट नाउ he's taken a step further where he will be introducing new raw talent and actually put out the voices of the streets globally, which is a great thing.
Absolutely, he's doing with a bunch of musicians जिनके साथ उन्होंने गली बॉय में भी काम किया है। This is Slow Cheetah, this is काम भारी and Spitfire जिनके साथ पहला song track है that is releasing today. In fact, they went live and it was a really colorful and energetic live जिसके ऊपर उन्होंने they gave us a little bit of a teaser of the song. It was very it's one of those peppy numbers जो शायद गली बॉय के बाद हर कोई मिस कर रहा था। But I think that is where Ranveer Singh has come out and made it his passion project. Like he's somebody जो obviously acting के लिए बहुत passionate है, now वो म्यूजिक की तरह रुक कर रहे हैं। एंड ही सेड कि मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि आई एम दैट पर्सन who can make that platform for the upcoming talent and why shouldn't I?
How nice. And we've seen normally actors जब वो mega stars बन जाते हैं, superstars बन जाते हैं, and then they turn producers. But Ranveer Singh has to be different. He's actually done something different and maybe something that he really likes and really loves. And he said कि कैसे वो industry के बाहर से आए हैं अंदर, and he's reached this stage and he really wants to promote raw talent. और बहुत सारा talent है बाहर on the streets, everywhere else, local music, local languages में भी चलता है rap, which we don't know, we don't get to hear, but now he has actually introduced Ink जिसे वो कहते हैं, और वो जैसे कि आपने कहा आज पहला song जहर रिलीज करने वाले हैं, and really waiting to watch the song.
Absolutely, and this also kind of says something कि कैसे आजकल के actors are also becoming very good business people. They know how to branch out and how to take their fame, the name, the platform that they have and really branch out and create new avenues for themselves and for everybody else. In fact, his own wife Deepika Padukone has now come out with her own production house. Anushka Sharma has branched out into her production house. I think film actors को हमने काफी बार सुना है that how now they want to do separate businesses, and this is another thing that Ranveer Singh wants to do.
And I think Ranveer Singh is one of the few actors who's actually ventured into putting out a music label. मैंने तो खैर नहीं सुना है, but it's really nice for these new talent, young talent जिनके बहुत सारे fan following है, काम भारी, Spitfire, Slow Cheetah. So good luck with the first song is going to release, and we hear that it's going to be released globally. So more power to you guys.
Exactly. Navzar Irani is the name of his co-founder, co-owner of this music label जिनके साथ वो ये कर रहे हैं. So congratulations to both of you. We're really hoping कि भाई नए talent को हम भी देख पाए and we could enjoy it as much as Ranveer Singh is enjoying.